Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So my dear viewers, and if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to talk English fluently, you need daily routine. Have you maintained your daily routine? Have you decided your daily routine? Have you made your daily routine? If you make your daily routine, it's okay. You will be able to success and you can speak English. But if you don't make the daily routine, it's possible for you. Make your daily routine and maintain your daily routine every day. What time do you get up early in the morning? Do you get up early in the morning or you don't get up early in the morning? So if you are the Muslim, so you should get up early in the morning. Why? At the first time, you should pray in the Fajr prayers, right? And then you should read the Holy Quran, recite the Holy Quran. It's very important for the next world, right? So we are in the just in this world right now. We gotta go next world one day, right? This world is just for few days. We will not stay here for forever. We have to go to the next world, right? It's very important, very important. Try to recite the Holy Quran every day and pray 5 times. So if you don't pray 5 times, I'll request you try to pray 5 times. So I'm just making this video just for you to inspire. Praying 5 times is very important. When you will pray 5 times, you will feel good in your body, and your body and your heart and your soul will get peace, right? When you will pray 5 times, and you will feel very handy, and you will feel good. Your mind will be very good, and it will be just for you. Exercise is very important if you pray 5 times. And you can say that, Arif, why are you talking in front of the camera about the salah, about the pray? So as a Muslim, I should just talk about that, right? I want to talk about that. So if you don't pray, it's your wish, you can pray or not, but I told you pray 5 times. Allah will help you everywhere, and believe with Allah, depend with Allah. Depending with Allah, try to fill up your dream. Try to fill up your dream, and try to hard work every day, reading. Try to read every day, try to listen every day, try to practice front of the camera every day. But before that, you have to believe with Allah. Depending on Allah, you have to just decide your future plan, your goal. So have you decided your future plan, your goal? So most of the people don't decide their future goal, their future plan. Why? They don't know what I will do and how I will do. They don't know about that. Even some people I have seen in my life, they have studied from the childhood to college life, but yet they haven't decided their future plan, their future goal. And I will say that, for example, if you want to go to Dhaka, so you have to just you have selected your goal. You want to go to Dhaka, right? But if you want to go to Dhaka, but if you jump into the car in the Netrakona, will you go to the Dhaka? I think you can't go to the Dhaka, right? So why? Because you are wrong, and you have jumped into the wrong car, in the Netrakona car, right? So you have to jump into the Dhaka's car, right? Same, if you want to success in your life, if you want to establish in your life, you have to decide your future plan. You have to decide your future goal. So if you don't decide your future plan, future goal, what do you want to be? So how you will be success? Because you don't know what you will do, what you should do, what you need to do, right? So at the first time, you should decide your future goal, future plan, and believe with Allah, and try to hard work from today. Inshallah, you will be success one day. Just this small video was for inspiring about the salah and about your making future plan. Okay, so today, make your future plan. I will do that anyway, any cost, anyhow. I have to be that. I have to be a teacher anyway, anyhow, any cost. I have to be a cricket player anyway, anyhow, any cost. I have to be a doctor anyway, anyhow, any cost. For that, what I have to do, I will do that anyway, anyhow, any cost. If you do that, inshallah, you'll be success. and overall you have to believe with Allah. Okay, so my dear viewers, I think this small video was very helpful for you. If you find, yeah, it was little bit helpful for me, so make sure to subscribe and leave your valuable comment in comment section. I'll see you very soon with another video. Allah Hafiz.